Everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Ang latest performance ng ASAP natin to, Champions Showdown. So once again, no longer isa ko talaga sa mga inaabangan ko for today's video. Without further ado, let's all watch this.
Kimo, Raven,
Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na talaga siya. Sure na sure ako. Plus.
Jonah, Jen, Jason, Clarice, and Yang, only here on
Ayan na.
The Champions Showdown.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. Ay, perfect. Ah, bongga. Bongga naman pala. Oh, I love that. Oh, ang ganda ng rendition niya. Yang. Grabe si Yang. Galing. Ay, grabe naman to ang rendition nila. Parang, oh, Jason D.
That I could take it all away and be the one who catches all your tears. That's why I
Jed. Iba talaga yung timbre ni Jed. Ang boses talaga ni Jed. Iba talaga siya. Okay. I love it! Reason. Ano ang title nun? Perfect or Reason? Nakalimutan ko na. Ay, si Yang. Oh my God, I forgot. Parang familiar ko sa kanta. Pulidong pulido. Ay, wow! Girl power. Mamaya pa yung boys, di ba? Pero si Jed na una na eh. Sino yung tumataas? May tumataas. Sino? Sino rin yung tumataas? Jonah. Grabe si Jonah. Ay! Sino yung tumataas? Si Jonah. Jonah yun, no? Ay, di siguro. Bongga. Ito na mga boys.
I open my eyes, I try to see the light above the white light.
Okay.
I can't remember how, can't remember why I'm lying here tonight. And I can't stand the pain, and I can't make it
Oh, JM. Ang ganda niya talaga. Ang ganda talaga ng broad ng boses niya. Kimo. Ay no, it's Raven. Ay wow. Si JM. Galing talaga ni JM. Magaling talaga si JM. Oh, love that.
Everybody's screaming. I try to make a sound, but no one hears me.
Okay.
I'm slipping off the edge. I'm hanging by a thread. I wanna start this over again. So I try to hold onto a time.
Ay, andito na naman si Jed. Kanina andyan din siya. Grabe naman si Jed, oy. Ay, wow. Ay, wow. JM and Jed. Oh, showdown ang boys. Ayaw magpatalo ng mga lalaki. Go, Kimo. Go. Oh, galing. Okay. Grabe. Wait lang, parang ako yung nahihirapan sa kanila. Ayan na sila. Together with the girls. Okay. Love that. Ay, tapos na. Yun na yun. Nabiti naman ako. Ibang klase talaga, sa totoo lang. There you go guys, that is our for today's video. The ASAP natin to, the Champions Showdown. Ang perfect lang. Perfect. I love it. Ang galing nung kay Jill. Tsaka yung nag-transition sila together with, nag-shifting sila together with, sino to si ni JM and Jed, bongga yun. Tapos si Jonah, love it. Of course, si Mariel, my favorite. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog.